Okay, so regarding to the homework, I want to create a video to show you how to create a VB project and how to submit your project, okay, in the right way. The first of all, now if you have a Visual Studio 2019, you're gonna see the screen. Okay, I think you should be able to see the screen right here. And you have to make sure the language is Visual Basic, because if you don't choose Visual Basic from here, by default it's C#, and you will see the form name with .cs instead of .vb. Okay, when you have Visual Basic choose, you have to scroll down because they have many choices, and they have at least 3 choices with similar name. For example, this one, Windows Form App, right? That is not one you're supposed to choose. You have to scroll down. You have to scroll down to see. This is also, you see, this is also very similar, but it's not. So we have to scroll down. And this is what you're supposed to use. Okay, if you click Windows Form App, you click that, and by default, it is the location and the name. So you can change the name, whatever name you want. Okay, so I say calculator. Okay, and then you change the location. You can put any location, find a place you know where it is. So maybe on the desktop, you have a folder called CSP 125. Okay, I already have a calculator here. I'm just going to click folder, and you have calculator, project name, you have the location ready. So all you have to do is you click create. Okay, so make sure you select the wrong type. If you don't select the wrong type, you're gonna have to restart all over again. There's no shortcut because you choose the wrong language. Okay, you are using Visual Basic, not C#. So I click create. So I will have the form like this. As you know, you can just design user interface, right? And write code. So you do whatever you need to do after that. Okay, so if I close the file, I know I saved this project into the CSP 125 on my desktop. So I go to my desktop. I should have CSP 125 here. As you can see, my document, my folder has the calculator, which created right now is February 7th, 247. So you click inside, you're gonna have this folder and with .sln file. Now in our project, we use .NET framework. That is why you see, if I go back to the Visual Basic, you can see this toolbox, right? You see, we need to, drag the buttons, drag the labels over there, right? And then drag the all the kind of stuff from the toolbox from here. So those are the content of your .NET framework. They are the document to support your .sln. If you only give me .sln file, then what happens is it will not have all the supporting document, right? So if you only give me the .sln file, which a lot of people did that, then what is the button? What is label? They don't understand. Okay, to use the button labels, you have to have the files inside of this folder. Okay, that is why you need to give me everything together. Okay, so if I click the calculator, I'm gonna see this, right? So those are the projects which all contains everything I need for my project to run. So I go to the upper level. Now I have this too. As I mentioned, if you submit a project, you have to give me everything together. So which means you go to the most outside layer of your project. Okay, so go to the most outside layer and right click your mouse, click send to, and compress folder. And click enter, and that's it. So you have the zip file which contains everything I need. Okay, not only .sln, but also all the documents which support this .sln. And then you submit their zip file into my Brightspace assignments box. Okay, so that is the thing I want to mention to you. Okay, if you accidentally choose the wrong template in C#, you will see if you will see here. Right here is form1.vb. Okay, if you see the C#, it's a form1.cs. So if you notice this form1.cs, that only means one thing: you have to redo everything again from the starting to the end, because you choose the wrong template. Okay, so that is the thing for this video. Thank you.